Hi friends, welcome to PharmaGrid. So in today's video, we are going to discuss some pharmaceutical calculations. So let's begin with today's first question. If 240 ml of a cough syrup contains 480 milligram of dextromethorphan hydrobromide, then what mass of drug is contained in a child's dose? 1 teaspoon of syrup. 1 teaspoon means 5 ml, whereas 1 tablespoon means 15 ml. Okay, so we need to find out the mass or amount of drug contained in 5 ml of the syrup. In the question, they have given that 240 ml of the cough syrup contains 480 milligram of dextromethorphan. We need to find out the amount or mass in 5 ml. So let it be x milligram of dextromethorphan. Find out the value of x by cross multiplication. That is 480 into 5 divided by 240, that is equal to 10 milligram. That is 10 milligram is the mass of drug contained in a child dose, that is 5 ml of the syrup. Next question. How many milligrams of dextromethorphan base having molecular weight 271.4 are equivalent to 10 milligram of dextromethorphan hydrobromide having molecular weight 352.3? So in this question we know that 10 milligram of dextromethorphan hydrobromide, its molecular weight is 352.3, and we need to find out the amount of dextromethorphan base that is equivalent to 10 milligram of dextromethorphan hydrobromide. So let it be x milligram. Okay. So and we know the molecular weight of dextromethorphan base as 271.4. Then find out the value of x by cross multiplication. That is 10 into 271.4 divided by 352.3. That is equal to 7.7 milligram, which is the answer. That is 7.7 milligram of dextromethorphan base is equivalent to 10 milligram of dextromethorphan hydrobromide. Next one, tolubalsam tincture contains 20% weight by volume tolubalsam. What is the percentage concentration of tolubalsam in the syrup from the formula shown in the following? Tolubalsam tincture 50 ml, magnesium carbonate 10 gram, sucrose 820 gram, purified water quantity sufficient to make 1000 ml. Okay, so first determine what amount of tolubalsam is contained in 50 ml quantity of tincture used for the syrup. So for the syrup, the total volume is 1000 ml. So out of this 1000 ml, for preparing this syrup, tolubalsam tincture 50 ml is required. Okay. So first of all, find out the amount of tolubalsam present in this 50 ml of the tincture used for preparing the syrup. So for finding this, in the question they have given a clue, that is tolubalsam tincture contains 20% weight by volume tolubalsam. That is 20% weight by volume means 20 gram tolubalsam is present in 100 ml. So we can easily find out the amount of tolubalsam present in 50 ml. So take it as x gram. So find out the value of x by cross multiplication. That is 50 into 20 divided by 100, that is equal to 10 gram tolubalsam. That is 10 gram tolubalsam is present in 50 ml of tolubalsam tincture. Or hence we can say that this 50 ml is equivalent to, or 50 ml tolubalsam tincture contains 10 gram tolubalsam. So this 10 gram tolubalsam is present in 1000 ml of the syrup. Okay. So that can be written like this, that is 10 gram tolubalsam is present in 1000 ml of the syrup. So in order to express it in percentage concentration, find out the amount present in 100 ml. So take it as x gram tolubalsam. Find out the value of x again by cross multiplication. That is 10 into 100 divided by 1000. That is equal to 1 gram. That is 1 gram tolubalsam is present in 100 ml. That is the percentage concentration is 1%. That is the percentage concentration of tolubalsam in the syrup is 1%, which is the answer. Fourth question. How many grams of drug substance should be used to prepare 240 gram of a 5% weight by weight solution in water? So the first step in any percentage weight by weight problem is to attempt identification of the total mass of the mixture. So in this problem, the total mass is obviously provided, that is 240 gram. So 5% weight by weight means 5 gram is present in 100 gram. So we need to find out the amount present in 240 gram. So let it be x gram. So find out the value of x by cross multiplication. That is 240 into 5 divided by 100, that is equal to 12 gram. Fifth one, how many milliliters of a 1:50 stock solution of ephedrine sulfate should be used in compounding the following prescription? Rx, ephedrine sulfate 0.25%, rose water 30 ml. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is that find out the amount of ephedrine sulfate present in 30 ml, which is the required volume. So for that, they have given in this prescription, the strength of ephedrine sulfate is given as 0.25%, which means 0.25 gram ephedrine sulfate is present in 100 ml. So let it be x gram present in 30 ml. Find out the value of x by cross multiplication, that is 30 into 0.25 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.075 gram is the required amount of ephedrine sulfate that is present in 30 ml. Now in the question, what we need to find out, how many milliliters of a 1:50 stock solution of ephedrine sulfate should be used in compounding this prescription. So 1:50 stock solution means 1 gram of ephedrine sulfate is present in 50 ml of the stock solution. So 0.075 gram is present in xml. So take the volume as xml. Then find out the value of x again by cross multiplication. That is 0.075 into 50 divided by 1. That is equal to 3.75 ml of stock solution is required for this prescription. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.